Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tin fish curry Fiji style, only ways. Start by gathering canned fish, coconut milk, curry powder, onion, garlic, chilies, tomato, lime, salt, and oil. Chop the onion and garlic finely, slice chilies, and roughly mash the tin fish. Heat oil, toast spices briefly, then sauté aromatics before adding tomato and coconut milk to build a rich batter. Warm your pan over medium heat and add oil, then sauté onion and garlic until soft and fragrant. Sprinkle in curry powder and let it toast briefly to release aroma, then add chopped tomato and stir to combine. Pour in coconut milk, bring to a gentle simmer, and let the sauce thicken slightly while you check seasoning and consistency before adding the tin fish. Once the sauce has thickened, gently fold in the tin fish so the pieces remain flaky and tender without overstirring. Taste and adjust salt, then squeeze fresh lime juice to brighten the curry and scatter cilantro for a fresh finish. Serve the curry hot alongside steamed rice, roti, or crusty bread, so every bite soaks up the rich coconut and curry flavors in true Fiji comfort style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.